Mike Stokes, Lush Planet Design Build, part 3 of our attic space conversion. So, as you can see, there's now plywood sheathing over the whole base of the floor. We glued and screwed it with 3/4 ply. And we're not going to, this is going to be outdoor space, not indoor space. We're putting a pony wall right here. There's going to be a couple more pony walls over here, which will come in the future. It might be kind of interesting to just see that we left these holes in the floor. These are for the duct work that are going to come up. Actually, this is where the ducts are going to go down into the rest of the house, and we're going to run our HVAC system through the back corner of the room here. Another little thing that might be kind of interesting to look at is this angle over here. We framed out for 3 skylights, and I think that'll add a lot of natural light for the downstairs. That's what we're focusing on. In a couple of days, the spray foam insulation guys are going to come and fill this up with insulation, and then we'll go to the next phase where we build the pony walls, put in the venting, last bit of electrical, and then close it all in. Stay tuned.